Bro, this wheeze, what the fuck is that sound?
What the fucking Wheezer?
That is the most retarded piece of shit I've ever heard.
The only thing dying is my PC.
Hey, kRosZ, well, you're a good player, right?
Sure,
He's
babe,
still fighting again.
I could just shoot from away for
Sort of flank.
Okay. Oh, you dumb bitch, dude. Fuck this game, bro. I fucking shat myself, dude. Okay, yeah, sure.
Damn, we're like China, we don't care about their men.
Come on, bro. Are you really gonna stoop that low?
Of course, I need to action deep freeze.
What do you mean I don't have a rage issue?
Bro, that's pretty great.
Can you stop acting like the most stupid piece of shit ever? Thanks.
Oh, okay. You think I'm acting?
I hope you are.
Well, I have moving wallpapers.
Okay, stop
Yeah,
flexing.
yeah, he wins there, man.
Yeah.
That's a really weird flex.
And it's...
I don't have a rage problem, guys.
Yeah, I don't. What do you mean?
No, non fa niente.
Better than Wheezer.
I love Wheezers.
Shut the fuck up,
I
bro.
love Wheezers. Wheezing is such a nice way of laughing. It's so
Yeah,
fun.
boy.
Like, you always get a